As some of you may already know, we have managed to lower our shipping cost by switching to a different carrier. We previously were with DHL and we managed to switch to FedEx. That not only allowed us to have lower shipping rates, cutting the cost by not just 50% actually. For a lot of you in America, it's more than 50%. And I'll show you the exact details coming up as I pack up the orders for many of the items that were purchased prior to the switch in this video. So for example, in DHL, we would have to sometimes depend on USPS delivering the package and sometimes not delivering at all. They would have the tendency to leave it on the side of the road. I know it's atrocious, but it has happened in the past. And of course, we don't want that to happen to our customers. And so FedEx has assured us that they definitely do not do this. They only deliver it to the doorstep, to your doorstep, and not pass it on to a second or third party. So thankfully, we got that down. Also, they deliver to remote areas. I know that we have customers in some remote areas in Australia and also in Canada, and usually those instances also is a challenge for DHL. So FedEx definitely has no problem delivering to remote areas. And of course, it is not only cheaper by, like I said, almost 50% for some, and for many of you in the US, 50% and above cheaper than DHL, but it also is a lot faster with delivery of approximately 1 to 4 business days compared to the 2 to 5 days with DHL. So I think that's pretty awesome. Previously, when you would check out with us with, for example, a small drill pen, for example, the minimum was at around $40+, and then DHL went up again with their cost, with their price, and so then that would be at around like $50, and this is to the US. And I know that that is ridiculous, and we were just, kind of just brainstorming on how we can fix that problem for everybody, us included, because we don't want you guys shelling out that much amount of money for shipping if there was a way to make it, a lot cheaper for you guys. So with FedEx, the same amount. So let's say, for example, you were to purchase a drill pen or let's say a small vial of beads. With DHL, that would have cost around $50 to ship out to the US. Now it would cost only $22.61. That's basically the minimum shipment that we have going out. So it might be at times $24, it might be $26, or it might be $27, but definitely in the 20 plus range minimum to ship out to the US from the Philippines. So I think that is awesome news and perfect timing just before Christmas so that you guys can go on ahead and do your Christmas shopping and not have to shell out so much for the shipping fee. So now we'll be packing up for Rachel Ray in this unboxing reverse. So now we'll be packing up for Rachel Ray in this unboxing reverse. And just to show you the shipping fee that she paid with this purchase of Sleeps with Butterflies 50 by 64 rounds. And we are shipping to her in Ireland. So it is actually a little bit more expensive depending on your zone where it would be shipped out to. And since she's in Ireland, it's a little bit more expensive than shipping out to the US. So she had paid $64 for this shipment. But with a new carrier, with FedEx and no longer DHL, she would have only paid $38.76. As you can see, that's basically $25.24 less, or about a 39% price cut on the shipping cost. So because of that, Rachel Ray, we know that you paid shipping fees thinking that it would be sent out via DHL, but it will not be sent out via DHL today, it will be sent out via FedEx. That will be charging us a lot cheaper for your package, which means the difference of $25.24 that you would not have had to pay if you made your purchase after our transition to FedEx, we are basically crediting that back to you in the form of a gift card. So that's right, all of you who have made your purchases prior to our switch to FedEx from DHL will be receiving a gift card in the amount of the difference that you are basically saving with a new carrier. So you can expect an email from us, and of course, before we send out the items to you, I will be mentioning it in the vlog like what I'm doing now with Rachel Ray. So Rachel Ray, you've got that gift card that you can use for a future order at the shop. Thank you so much for supporting DIYmoon Shop. Alright, this next one is bound for the US and it's for Michelle LIEM. She's got 3 Howie Green paintings and 2 Leonid Afremov. Okay, so Michelle made her purchase with us October 4 before we switched carriers from DHL to FedEx. So the shipping that she paid for the 5 items that she has today, the 3 Howie Green paintings and the 2 Leonid Afremov, is actually at $80. But if she were to have purchased it now that we are with FedEx with at least 50% for US lower shipping rates, she would not have paid $80. She would have paid only $37.50. That's $42.50 less than what she paid for previously. And so we are going to be crediting that back to you, Michelle, in the form of a gift card that you can use in your future order with us. So we'll email you the details on the gift card. But thank you so much for shopping with us, and that definitely is great news, isn't it? That's a 53% price cut from $80 shipping to now $37.50. This next one is also US bound, and it's for Madame Sodin, and this is her December by Anna Dittman, 65 by 50 cm rounds. It by Anna Dittman in 65 by 50 cm rounds with electric diamonds, and I Dreamt I Could Fly by Anna Dittman in 50 by 50 cm rounds with lightning diamonds. So just like the rest who have made their purchases in this video, Madame Sodin also purchased her 3 diamond painting kits that I'm packing up today, October 2, way before we had switched to our new carrier, to our much cheaper carrier, FedEx. So she purchased these 3 kits. They're what you would call, I suppose, a medium and large size kits, and they were for $80 total shipping to the US via DHL. But because we're now shipping via FedEx, it would have only cost her from $80 previously now to just $35.30. So just $35. Imagine, from $80, now it's just going to be $35.30. That's $44.70 less. That is a huge price cut. That is about a 56% price reduction on the shipping cost, which we are now crediting back to you, madam, so that you may use it in a form of a gift card in your future purchases and just deduct that from your total at the end of your checkout. So hopefully you guys appreciate this. We're trying to really backtrack all of the ones that we have had previously under DHL that we have not yet shipped out, because if we are shipping out via FedEx, it is just right that we will charge you only what FedEx would charge us as well. We don't make money from the shipping fee, just to make it clear. So we are going to be crediting back any difference that you may have paid over if it were with DHL previously.